In 1997, 39 people dressed identically in black shirts and Nike sneakers were found dead in a mansion in California. They weren't victims of murder. They had killed themselves willingly because their leader, Marshall Applewhite, convinced them a spaceship was hiding behind a comet. Applewhite called their bodies human containers that needed to be shed. He made his followers abandon their families, give away all their money. 8 male members even castrated themselves, including Applewhite. For 3 days, they took turns dying. Groups of 15, plastic bags over their heads, phenobarbital in their stomachs. Each member recorded a goodbye video before their death, smiling as they explained why they were leaving Earth. The most disturbing part? Before they died, they each packed a small bag with clothes and quarters for their journey to the spaceship. But here's what will keep you awake tonight. The Heaven's Gate website is still online, still maintained by surviving members who never joined the suicide. They're still waiting for the next comet. Follow Midnight Whisper for a new dark story every night.